Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll explain how servers work in Bloodstrike and whether it's possible to change your server. If you've been wondering why you're placed in a specific region or how to switch to another server, this video will clear things up. In Bloodstrike, the server you play on is automatically assigned based on your physical location when you create an account or log in. For example, if you're located in Asia, the game will automatically connect you to the Asia server. At the moment, there is no in-game setting or option that allows players to manually change their server. According to Bloodstrike's official customer support, server selection is directly linked to your region and cannot be modified from within the game itself. All server assignments happen automatically each time you log in, and manual switching is not supported right now. The only way to access a different server would be by changing your physical location to a region associated with that server. You can confirm this information by visiting the Bloodstrike Customer Service section, where server-related details are clearly explained. So that's everything you need to know about changing servers in Bloodstrike. I hope this video helped answer your question. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more gaming tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.